Radio show host Raffy Tulfo finds himself in hot water after a grandmother and two parents went to his program Raffy Tulfo in Action, complaining about the teacher who allegedly maltreated their child. The CCTV footage shows teacher Melita Limhuko forcing the grade 2 student to sit outside the classroom as punishment for not bringing his report card. The grandmother says this was humiliating for her grandson. Because of this, the mother, Rosemil Edroso, then says she doesn't want to send the teacher to jail but have her license revoked. The father agrees. Tulfo then asks the teacher over a phone call aired on the program if she would rather have the issue brought to court or agree to have her license revoked. The teacher agrees to what the parents want. But this did not sit well with Filipinos online. Hashtag Justice for Teachers and hashtag Tulfo trended on Twitter Friday, November 22. Twitter user @PWG says the DepEd should make the decision, not Tulfo. @Jayla Diaz on Twitter says, "Sorry Mr. hashtag Tulfo, but this episode has gone too far. You have no right to decide to remove the license of the teacher. DepEd should be the one investigating this and not you." Director Kip Obando also airs his sentiment on Twitter. Tulfo is really suited for the mob mentality of this era. Doesn't matter if a teacher's job is jeopardized. On Friday night, November 22, lawyer Joseph Noel Estrada says the parents and the teacher already reconciled with the help of a Department of Education supervisor.